Trade Assistant, Professional Crypto Analysis Platform. Trade Assistant is a comprehensive Python-based technical analysis tool designed for cryptocurrency traders, featuring a modern graphical user interface, AI integration, and optional GPU acceleration. Fully implemented exchange support, 10 major exchanges. The system provides complete API integration and caching for Binance, Bybit, Gate.io, OKX, XT, Coinbase, BitGet, Mexi, Kraken, Crypto.com. Exchange selection is integrated directly into the GUI interface, with automatic symbol loading and caching for each exchange. Symbol selection. In the left panel, the symbol selection section is designed to save traders the most time possible. Live display of available USDT pairs. Right after selecting an exchange, the number of loaded USDT pairs appears next to under entry box. The count comes from local cache or fresh API data. Live search plus autocomplete. In the input field above the list, whatever you type instantly filters the list. No search button needed. Just start typing and see the results appear in real time. Adding symbols to your selection. Type the symbol you want and add it with double-click on it. Managing your selected list. Remove one by one, double-click, or click the small X button next to it. Clear everything, clear all button. Live selected count, always shown below the list. Selected count, the number updates instantly every time you add or remove something. Auto-save your last selection. The list of symbols you chose is automatically saved when you close the program and reloaded the next time you open it. Why this section matters. Only the symbols you select here will be processed during analysis. This lets you focus tightly on 5 to 10 favorite coins, very fast analysis, or scan hundreds of pairs at once without freezing or slowing down the system.
1 PTIH, Potential Technical Indicators Hunter. The most complete all-in-one scanner. It looks at many indicators together: MACD, RSI, stochastic, CCI, MFI, Bollinger Bands, stop hunt patterns, Elliott wave zones, MA alignments, and gives each opportunity a score out of 10 based on how many signals agree. You get clear bullish or bearish setups with risk, reward estimates. What you control see in the app. Runs on every time frame and symbol you selected. Results grouped into bullish, bearish, neutral tabs. Highest scoring signals appear at the top. You can focus only on high-score setups. 2 Moving average crossovers. Classic golden cross, bullish, and death cross, bearish detection. Shows when short-term and long-term moving averages cross each other, plus how far current price is from the crossover point. What you control see in the app. Choose your own MA periods, default, 725, 799, 2599. Just type new numbers in the settings. See distance %, how close price is to the cross. Results sorted by strongest signals first. Golden crosses in green tabs, death crosses in red tabs. 3 Ichimoku Cloud Analysis. Full Ichimoku system that tells you whether the trend is strongly bullish, price above cloud, bearish below cloud, or neutral inside cloud. Also shows important crosses and distances to key lines. What you control see in the app. No extra settings needed. Uses standard 92652 periods. Clear categories. Above cloud bullish, in cloud neutral, below cloud bearish. Easy to read tabs that match the trend direction. 4 Trend confirmation. Checks if the current trend is strong and respected by price. Measures how long the trend has been going, how many times price bounced off the moving averages, and overall trend strength. What you control see in the app. Customize the moving average periods used for confirmation, default, 2599. See trend length, how many candles ago it started, rejection count, bounces, and strength score. Bullish trends in green tabs, bearish in red, neutral in gray. 5 Candlestick pattern recognition. Automatically finds more than 50 classic candlestick patterns like hammer, engulfing, morning star, shooting star, evening star, doji, etc. What you control see in the app. Turn specific patterns on-off with checkboxes. Only look for bullish engulfing or hammer if you want. Patterns grouped into bullish, bearish, neutral tabs. Hover over any pattern name. Right arrow instant explanation pops up. Shows extra info like distance to recent high-low and swing size. 6. Swing range, Hunter volatility Hunter. Finds zones where big moves might happen based on the previous candle's range and how close current price is to old highs or lows. Calculates directional risk, reward for potential breakouts or reversals. What you control see in the app. No extra settings, uses previous candle automatically. Clear categories, high to low swings versus low to high swings. Volatility levels shown, low, medium, high. Distance to nearest high-low and estimated R ratios. Imagine you've just run a scan and your results table is full of interesting signals. No need to copy anything, switch tabs, or open extra tools. Everything happens right inside the app in one smooth step. You simply click any symbol in the results table. The moment you click, the chart for that exact symbol opens instantly inside the app. Clean, dark theme, no distractions. You see the price action and candles that triggered the signal. At the same time, the AI analysis panel automatically loads the same symbol and timeframe. The AI reads the full technical report behind that signal and gives you a clear, easy-to-read trade plan. Direction of the trade, long or short. Suggested entry zone. A neat, sorted list of take-profit targets. Clear stop-loss level. Overall confidence rating. No confusing number walls, just a simple, organized summary with targets and stop-loss listed clearly from nearest to farthest. While reading this, the chart is right next to it. You can visually check every level. Does the entry sit on strong support? Do the take-profits line up with resistance? Does the stop-loss respect recent lows? All in one glance, without leaving the program. This simple flow, click a Signal C chart plus AI plan, turns a promising signal into a ready-to-trade idea in seconds. No manual copying, no jumping between apps. Just fast, visual, confident decisions. This is what traders love most about Trade Assistant. From spotting a signal to having a clear, readable plan with chart confirmation, all in one place.